Hi, I'm Jillian. Welcome to a brand new episode of the Blogger Genius podcast. But before I launch in, let me pose a question to you. Have you started selling your knowledge and expertise directly to your audience, or are you still relying on traditional methods like ads and affiliate links to monetize? In today's rapidly changing online landscape, relying solely on these methods is a risky strategy. You need multiple income streams, and this is exactly where MiloTree Cart shines. Imagine being able to sell unlimited memberships, digital downloads, workshops, coaching, and mini courses in less than 5 minutes. Yes, you heard that right. What used to take 10 minutes is now even quicker thanks to our newly rolled out AI sales pages. They are simply magic. As I mentioned in my last episode, sometime in June, we are transitioning from selling MiloTree Cart as a lifetime deal for $349 where you pay once and you own it forever to a monthly subscription. Our lifetime deal is definitely the most cost-effective way to get MiloTree Cart. Plus, if you sign up now, you get a 1-hour bonus coaching call with me. So if you're ready to start selling digital products in the easiest way possible, go to milotree.com and sign up. We offer a 30-day, no questions asked, money-back guarantee, and there's even a place on our homepage to book a 20-minute exploratory call with me. So again, go to milotree.com and sign up. You would not believe the success our customers are having.
Welcome to the Blogger Genius podcast, brought to you by MiloTree. Here's your host, Jillian Leslie.
Hello, and welcome back to another episode of the Blogger Genius podcast. Today, I'm recording a solo episode about one of the most effective strategies for growing your email list, and this is leveraging the power of freebies. But before I start talking specifically about freebies, I want to say that growing your email list is even more important today than ever before. I sound like a broken record. But with all the crazy things happening with Google, plus we know social media algorithms aren't something we can rely on. But one thing that has always been true is you own your blog and you own your email list. These are two assets that can't be taken away from you. And as I say over and over again, the best way to make money is by selling to your email list. So I'll say it again, the money is in your list. So as you know, I get on calls with so many of you. And if someone tells me they have an email list of say 2,000 people, I know they can make money selling digital products. It might take some trial and error to find out what their audience wants from them, but it's at the end of the day, it's all a numbers game. The more people you can put your offer in front of, the more people will buy. And it's really just simple math. So of course, the question is, what is the most effective and fastest way to grow your email list? And I'm going to say, it's by offering something of value for free in exchange for your email address. And this is a freebie, or other people like to call it an opt-in. But when you step back, like how many blogs have you been to where there's an opt-in box that says something like, stay up to date on what's happening at Susie's baking blog? And then you're supposed to add your name and email. Like, who would sign up for that? Who cares what's happening at Susie's baking blog? What you need to do, though, isn't just say, oh, okay, I shouldn't do that specifically, but I should offer like a checklist or an ebook or a guide. No, it's about offering a checklist or an ebook or a guide that solves a real problem for people in that moment. I like to think of successful freebies like Hershey's Kisses. Like, you know, when you're at the manicurist, and right there when you're about to pay, there's a bowl of Hershey's Kisses. Well, I want you to know that I never pass up the Hershey's Kiss. And not only do I not pass it up, I pop it in my mouth before I've taken out my credit card because I want that chocolatey goodness. And after I eat it, I kind of want to have another one, but I probably won't take it because I don't want to look greedy or hoardy. But notice, you can't put a Hershey's Kiss in your pocket and eat it later because, of course, it will melt. This is called immediate gratification. And this is how I recommend you think about an opt-in or a freebie. So your freebie should be something someone wants to consume immediately. They get the download and they're looking at it on their phone within seconds. So it should be small, like a Hershey's Kiss, like not a 10-page ebook. I'm going to talk about that a little bit later. And it should give the person a little rush, like you get from that pop of sugar from the Hershey's Kiss. So your freebie is something that's not good for somebody like a vitamin, but should have a little maybe pop of excitement, solve a quick problem, answer a burning question, and it should leave that new subscriber wanting more from you. So keep this in mind while I talk about a variety of freebies you can offer. And the first one that always comes to people's mind is an ebook. But a free ebook isn't something I recommend you start with. I have so many free ebooks in my download folder that I've never read. And I would argue they're typically not snackable enough. So yes, you've gotten someone's email address for your ebook, but you miss that opportunity where you can introduce yourself to them and show them that you can solve someone's problem, because chances are they will never look at that ebook. Now, I do recommend people sell ebooks, because then by the time you sell that, you've already built a relationship, you've built up credibility, and if they pay for your ebook, chances are they will value it more. So there's definitely a place for ebooks. I just don't think offering an ebook as a freebie is the way to go, especially because I'm going to talk about how to create freebies fast, and an ebook can take a fair amount of time. So the second thing is a guide. And I like guides better because it's kind of like that little solution. Like if you took your ebook and you shortened it to one page, I'd call that a guide. And it's like a quick hit on a specific topic. It answers a small question. It solves a small problem. It entertains in a small way. So guides I like. Another option is offering, say, a free course or webinar, but again, think small. One thing I personally like is when you maybe get people to sign up for like a 3 or 5 day email challenge where you drip them emails. And again, you can imbue them with your personality, make them short, make them punchy, solve a problem or answer a question with them. Another example is just a discount code or an exclusive offer. Those are great freebies. But here I'm going to say these are my 3 favorite types. The first type I really like are checklists and cheat sheets. And I'm putting them together because they're quick, they're easy to consume. And if you think about it, like if I say cheat sheet, it kind of feels like I am sharing a secret with you. People love to get information that other people don't have access to. My second favorite type are quizzes. We love learning about ourselves. In fact, one of my most popular freebies is my digital product personality quiz. And by the way, you can go get this at milotree.com/quiz. I'm not using fancy quiz software. This is just I think it's a 2-page PDF with some fun questions. And at the end of it, you'll find out what your digital product personality is. And the call to action is, hey, now if you want to start selling digital products, book a free 20-minute call with me. And then my final favorite type of freebie is what I like to call done for you. And what I mean by this is instead of teaching someone how to do something, do it for them. Instead of teaching someone how to write emails, give them email templates. Canva templates are great for this. Another example, free printables. So at Catch My Party, we give away over 100 sets of party printables in exchange for an email address. All you have to do is print out our printables and you've got instant party decorations. Spreadsheets are another good done-for-you tool, and ChatGPT prompts. Give people the prompt so they don't have to come up with it themselves. So now let's talk about how to come up with one of these great freebie ideas. And I recommend 2 things to keep in mind. The first is my 6 purchasing triggers and ChatGPT. So what are these triggers that I talk about a lot? Well, these are the problems people will typically pay to solve. So if you can solve one of these small problems in your freebie, people will typically opt in to get it. So here they are. Can your freebie make somebody money? So maybe it's like the 5 easiest ways to make money online, and it could be just a cheat sheet. The second is, can your freebie save me money? Like 5 hacks for saving on air travel. Can your freebie save me time? Move me toward happiness? Move me away from pain? Or raise my social status? These are things people are very interested in. And if you listen to my podcast, you've heard me talk about this concept I like to call the digital product ladder. So you might start selling something small, like an ebook. And then if people like your ebook, you solve their problem, you gain their trust, they will probably sign up for your workshop. And then maybe join your membership, and each one might be more and more expensive. Maybe they'll book a coaching call with you or a package of coaching calls. Maybe they'll join then your VIP mastermind or go to your retreat. So what I like to do is think of my freebie as the first tiny step of this ladder. Solve a teeny tiny part of this big problem that people struggle with in your niche with your freebie. Solve it. Make it easy to digest. If you can make it fun, all the better. And make them want more from you. And remember, your freebie is your subscribers' first impression of you. So think of it as the beginning of this relationship. Now, while you're listening to this, you can either open ChatGPT, or I will definitely put this prompt in the show notes. But here's a prompt that you can use to help you come up with your freebie idea. So the prompt that I wrote is something like this. Generate a list of freebie ideas for insert niche that fits into one of these categories. Make somebody money, save someone time, move someone toward happiness, move someone away from pain, or raises their social status. Then see if you like any of the ideas that ChatGPT presents you. And if not, ask directly for ideas for, using this framework for checklists or cheat sheets or hacks, quizzes, or really anything in your niche that you can provide done for you help. Once you've done this, I recommend you then just use Canva, create your freebie, and put it out there. I talk about B- work. This is ultimately a place where you should be doing B- work. This freebie is not making you money, but it is moving you toward making money. This is your Hershey's Kiss. My second piece of advice is promote it everywhere. Put it all over your blog. Put it on social media. Promote it more than you think. Connect it to your Instagram bio. Get people to see what you are offering. And 3, you don't know if this freebie is going to work. This is why you want to move quickly, because you are always testing. Remember, you need lots of tests, lots of freebies to try. And this is why I am excited to talk about our new product that is going to live under our Milo Tree umbrella. This fits in nicely with our product called Milo Tree Cart that I talk about a lot. Our new product is called Milo Tree Leads. This is software that enables you to offer unlimited freebies easily. So, like with Milo Tree Cart, say you're selling an ebook, you just upload that ebook to Milo Tree Cart, and then we have AI generated sales pages for you. We deliver that ebook to your customer? Well, with MiloTree Leads, very similar. Upload your freebie to our platform. We will deliver it directly to your new subscriber. Also, we give you AI created landing pages where you can talk about what your freebie is and have an opt-in box for people to add their name and email address. Super easy. Plus, we integrate with all major email service providers. I don't know if you've ever tried to set this up yourself with your email service provider. It is hard. With MiloTree Leads, it is simple. So one thing I always recommend is take your top 3 to 5 blog posts and offer a customized freebie on each of those pages. And this is so incredibly simple with MiloTree Leads. In fact, if you have your freebie done, you could be offering it in 5 minutes. For all you listening, this is what I hope for you. You use a tool like MiloTree Leads to grow your subscribers by offering unlimited freebies. Once you have an audience, you then sell to them using something like MiloTree Cart. Now, I'm very excited about this because people have been asking for this for so long. So if you want to be one of the first to know when we actually launch MiloTree Leads, which should be in the next couple days, and get our special launch price, please head to milotree.com/leads beta. So it's milotree.com/leads, LEADS, beta, BETA. And I will let you know as soon as we go live. So before I wrap up this episode, I want to quickly recap the most important points about growing your email list with irresistible freebies. 1, remember, your email list is a valuable asset that you own. It's a direct line to your audience, and it is unaffected by changing algorithms or Google updates. 2, offering freebies is one of the fastest and most effective ways to grow your email list because they provide immediate value and they establish a connection with your subscribers. 3, your freebie should offer immediate gratification, be easy to consume, small, address a specific need or problem, much like the instant delight of a Hershey's Kiss. 4, types of high-performing freebies are things like checklists and cheat sheets, quizzes, done-for-you resources. These are the freebies I like the most, but there are a whole host of other things you can offer. 5, use AI like ChatGPT to brainstorm and create effective freebies. And remember, platforms like MiloTree Leads can simplify this process so that you can test and offer and move quickly, and the tech is simple. 6, sign up for early access to MiloTree Leads by going to milotree.com/leads beta. If you have an opt-in or a freebie that's really working for you, I would love to see it. So would you email me at jillian@milotree.com? I'm always looking for where people are having success. And to close, I just want to say, if you have a friend who could benefit from this episode, please share it. And if you're enjoying the podcast and you are feeling generous, please go to iTunes and give it 5 stars. I would be so appreciative. And I will see you here again next week.